Hey there, ENCAPers. In today's episode of ENCAP TV, we're going to talk about the Releasit family, how all of the products in the Releasit product line work together, which one you should use, and when to use it. Stick around to find out how these products will help you max your ENCAP. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Releasit family. Sometimes customers are confused. Which product should I use? When? Where? How should I use it? So I just kind of want to give you a quick rundown on all of the different products in the Releasit line, where they come from, and how to use them. Starting off on your left, over here on my right, ENCAP-1. Now actually this is a product that we first started with. It was originally called ENCAP-CLEAN, our first product, going back over 20 years ago, 8 ounce per gallon product. Later we double strengthened it. We made it a 4 ounce per gallon. We figured out that we could double the raw ingredients, less water, more raw ingredients, and come up with a 4 ounce per gallon product. So that was ENCAP-CLEAN DS. Later on we developed ENCAP-CLEAN DS2. Now what is the number 2? Here's the deal. ENCAP-CLEAN originally, the 8 ounce and the 4 ounce version, had tea tree oil in it, and it had a surfactant that if you used it in an atomized spray, in an aerosolized, if you're using it in a spray system, it could cause you to cough. Now used in a shampoo method, like in a Cymex machine where you're shower feeding it, works great. But in some applications it could cause people to cough a little bit. We got complaints as more and more people were using machines that had sprayers on them. So we developed a product that would be much easier to work with, wouldn't cause you to cough when you sprayed it. ENCAP-CLEAN DS became ENCAP-CLEAN DS2 by taking out the tea tree oil and by changing the surfactant. But after we released ENCAP-CLEAN DS2, some people said, hey, I want the original, I want the tea tree product. So we brought it back, we renamed it ENCAP-1 DS. The number 1 represents it was our first product. So ENCAP-1 DS, if you want to go down and check out where we started, this is the product. This is our first formula, and it still is a rock star because it cleans so well. That's what put Releasit on the map. It's what really revolutionized the carpet cleaning industry by introducing good encapsulation products that would crystallize, dry down brittle, and come out of the carpet in post-vacuuming. ENCAP-1 DS. Give it a try. If you haven't tried it, I think you'll like it. Again though, if you're going to use it in a spray application, it could cause a little irritation, it could cause you to cough. ENCAP-CLEAN DS2. We moved forward in time. In fact, this product has continued to evolve. It's had a few changes along the way. This product is our number 1 product. We sell more ENCAP-CLEAN DS2 than any other product in the line. Why? Because it just works so well. It is a 4 ounce per gallon, genuine encapsulation, dries down brittle, phenomenal crystallization properties, and the cleaning package, the detergency here, it's just amazing. Puts out a light foam as you're shampooing. You can use it with an orbital machine as well. Great product to be used in a shampoo or bonnet or pad capping application. Either of these products would work for that. But again, keep in mind, that one can make you cough just a little bit if it gets aerosolized. ENCAP-CLEAN DS2 covers everything, and it really is a great product. Very cost effective to work with, and it cleans really, really well. The next product that we developed after these early products was ENCAP-PUNCH. This was a hot water extraction pre-spray basically. So think of a pre-spray that you'd use in any application, perhaps for hot water extraction, or if you wanted to use a pre-spray in an encapsulation mode. ENCAP-PUNCH is what we came up with. Now what we did is we took everything that makes a pre-spray work, the surfactants, the solvents, everything that makes a pre-spray function, and then we balanced it very carefully with a polymer package that would dry brittle. Let me tell you, this was a tough product to make because frankly it was really messing up everything. It wouldn't dry down properly. It would dry gooey. We really worked hard to get something that had some serious firepower, it had some punch to it, and also dried brittle as a genuine encapsulation product. ENCAP-PUNCH, it's CRI approved, works great as a pre-spray, and you can use it in a hot water extraction application. It can even be used as a standalone hot water extraction detergent, for example in a portable or in a truck mount machine. So ENCAP-PUNCH is a really unique product, and because of the polymer package that we have here, it's compatible to be used as a pre-spray with the Releasit product line. If you use brand X, whatever other pre-spray off the shelf, quite likely you're going to mess up the crystallization. It's not going to dry down brittle. You're going to blow out your encapsulation. Now we move over to ENCAP-HYDROX. ENCAP-HYDROX is a very potent hydrogen peroxide formula, and it's an encapsulation product. So where would you use a hydrogen peroxide detergent? Anything that's organic, browning, for example, water stains, maybe ice melt. If you've got organic stains such as coffee, red wine, anything organic, any condition of browning, ENCAP-HYDROX will blow your mind. So if you've got a situation where the carpet is wicking, bringing back browning conditions, anything that looks kind of wonky, ENCAP-HYDROX will just make it shine. In fact, the ability to really brighten the carpet stands out with the hydrogen peroxide that you see here. In fact, all the products will really brighten the carpet. There are no optical brighteners in any of our products, but it really gives a very visual pop when you work with Releasit products. You're going to see the colors just snap. You'll see some vibrancy coming back. ENCAP-HYDROX works really well for that. Now the polymer here is different. We actually had to use a different polymer than we have in any of our other products because it needed to be stable with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is very potent. It has a very active, it's kind of a volatile formulation, and a typical polymer won't stand up to that. So we actually used a different encapsulation polymer on this product than we did in any of our other products. It has a lot of it in there as well. So you'll notice that the color of this product is more white. The other products are more clear, and on a very dark carpet, this will sometimes show a little bit of whiteness, but it works really, really well. We sell a lot of ENCAP-HYDROX because it's such a great problem solver. Moving down the line, BIO-ENCAP. Now this is a green product. All of the raw ingredients that we selected for this product were products that were on the list of the EPA's DFE, Design for the Environment. Those are the products that we use. So why do we develop this? Well, when people are looking for specifically a green product, perhaps they're going after an account where they need a product that's green, BIO-ENCAP is great for that. Cleans well, encapsulates great, and if green cleaning is your niche, I highly recommend giving BIO-ENCAP a try. Now, down here in the gray jug is ENCAP-BASIC. This product we developed when the economy was kind of going sideways, and we really wanted to provide something that would give you guys a product in case you're ever in a situation where it just comes down to dollars and cents. You really got to sharpen your pencil to get an account. ENCAP-BASIC will still deliver phenomenal results. It has the polymerization that we have in our other products, dries down well, cleans well, but we took out a couple of the more costly raw ingredients that are in some of our other products so that we could trim it down and deliver to you something that would really be a value product. So that's what ENCAP-BASIC is. It's for price point. If you're looking for a low dollar product, this is the one to go with. When you look at the numbers, when you're working with ENCAP-CLEAN, DS2, ENCAP-1, all the products are really highly concentrated and extremely cost effective and profitable to work with. Finally, ENCAP-SPOT. ENCAP-SPOT is a multi-purpose spot remover, but it's built again on that polymer-based crystallizing encapsulation technology that we have here in the Releasit product line. So what does it do? It will go after just about any kind of spot you're likely to run up against in a building, but because it's a polymerizing, crystallizing product, it's going to dry down brittle. Now, most of the time, when you think about a spot remover, you need to rinse it out of the carpet or it will leave a residue. Just like when you work with a pre-spray, you got to rinse it out of the carpet or it will leave residue that will track soil. These products, you don't need to rinse. You can leave them in the carpet. In fact, if you put ENCAP-PUNCH in the carpet straight, it would resist soil. And ENCAP-SPOT 2 is a broad range spot remover. It will resist soil. It doesn't need to be rinsed from the carpet. Now let's just say, for example, you're cleaning and you've got maybe a really challenging spot that you need to go after, and you're not able to get it knocked out entirely with ENCAP-SPOT, and you use a specialty spot or maybe something from CTI Pro's Choice. Blot up that initial specialty spot remover. You can go after it behind it with ENCAP-SPOT. Douse and blot a couple of times to, in other words, remove the residue from the first spot remover. We like to think of this as really an extractor in a bottle. This spot remover, you don't need to rinse, and so it really simplifies the spot removal. process. If you're going through a building and you're doing spot cleaning, ENCAP-SPOT is going to do a great job of knocking out just about everything. It does it quickly, efficiently, and no need to drag in equipment to rinse the carpet. So we just kind of wanted to give you a broad overview of the family. Meet the family here at Excellent Supply with our Releasit product line. All of it is designed to help you max your ENCAP. So hopefully this episode has helped you get a better picture of the Releasit product line. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below or reach out to us here at Excellent Supply. We're here to help you max your ENCAP. That's what we do, and all of these products will certainly do that for you as well. So again, thanks for watching. Share your comments, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching ENCAP TV.